If you've also been waiting for a long time for an amazing Nokia smartphone that is not only incredibly affordable, but also packed with fantastic features, then today we've brought something special for you. This incredible smartphone comes with a 5-camera setup, and its primary camera is going to be a whopping 200 megapixels. Yes, you heard that right. We're talking about the Nokia Alpha Pro Max 5G smartphone. If you're interested in buying this phone, make sure to watch this video till the end, because, in today's video, we'll be diving into its fully leaked features, price, and launch date. So, let's start. Features of the Nokia Alpha Pro Max 5G. This stunning smartphone comes with a 6.95-inch Super AMOLED display that boasts a 2K resolution and a 120 Hz refresh rate. On top of that, it features Gorilla Glass 7 protection, an in-display fingerprint sensor, and an IP69 rating for added durability. Camera setup. According to leaks, this Nokia smartphone is set to give the iPhone some serious competition. The Nokia Alpha Pro Max 5G is expected to feature a 5-camera setup on the rear. The primary camera is rumored to be a massive 200 megapixels, accompanied by a 50-megapixel telephoto sensor, a 32-megapixel ultra-wide-angle sensor, a 16-megapixel depth sensor, and an 8-megapixel wide-angle camera. On the front, you'll likely get a 64-megapixel front-facing camera for stunning selfies. Processor. When it comes to performance, this phone is expected to be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset, which is an incredibly fast processor. As for the operating system, it will likely run on Android 15 right out of the box. Battery backup. In terms of battery life, the Nokia Alpha Pro Max 5G is rumored to pack a massive 7500 mAh battery, with support for 120-watt fast charging, and a Type-C charging port. This means you'll get all-day battery life, and lightning-fast charging speeds. Price and launch date. Finally, let's talk about the price. As of now, there's no official information about the price, but according to leaks, it's expected to be around $500, making it an absolute steal. As for the launch date, it's likely to be unveiled sometime later this year.